Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give you a quick grocery haul. Just a little restock. So let me show y'all what I bought. Okay, so where should I start? Let's start with the meat, okay? Because I want to get this stuff put away, right? Okay, so I bought a pack of salmon, and I have a really delicious salmon recipe that I'm going to make with this salmon here. Salmon has been really high. You guys, do you see the price of this salmon? This was like the cheapest pack that I could find there. And this was like, look, $10.47 a pound. Like, that is ridiculous. So I was also able to get some chicken thighs. And of course, the chicken thighs, they were a little bit more expensive than what they normally are. So the price of this pack was like $7.50. This is only about 8 pieces, maybe 8 to 10 pieces. Then this one was $7.50 as well, and both of these were like $1.39 a pound. Okay, so the ground beef, I think I paid about $12 for this 3-pound pack of ground beef, and I always buy 80/20. And then I also got some whole chickens. I like to purchase these because of course I can make a good meal that will be quick and easy and will last us for at least 2 days. Okay, so here this chicken was $5.99 a pound. I don't know if that's good or bad, in comparison to where you live at, but this one was $5.79. Wait, oh no, I said that wrong, y'all. This was $1.16 a pound. Okay, I am reading that all wrong. So this is $1.16 a pound. So the total price was $6.95, and the total price for this chicken was $6.72. So to me, anywhere under $7 is a good price for a whole chicken. Okay, and so of course this was just under 6 pounds, and this one is just under 6 pounds as well. So I also got some bacon. Normally I don't really even look at the price of bacon. I just kind of feel like we need it, so I just get it. But I think, I don't even know how much the bacon was. Let me look at the receipt. And so I'm looking over this receipt. I cannot even find bacon on here, but I'll just insert it somewhere in the video. Oh, there it is right there. Y'all see it right there? Okay, so the bacon was $4.99 each. So for 2 packs, that came up to $9.98. I think that's not bad for bacon. Okay, so this was the meat that I got, and this will probably last us, I would say about, this is about 4, maybe about a week and a half. I can get about a week and a half worth of meals off of this. So like with this chicken, we can get about 2 days worth of meals. Like if I cook this on like a Monday, for example, this will last us for a good maybe about 2 days. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Yeah, so yeah, about a week and a half. And so with this ground beef, we will have cheeseburgers and nachos. I'm going to cut this in half and just, put 1.5 pounds in a separate Ziploc bag, and put the other 1.5 pounds in a separate bag. And yeah, so this is my meat. Oh, I forgot about the salmon. Okay, so with the salmon, this will last us for a good 2 weeks. So let's move around here, get a look at everything else. All right, so let's get the paper towel and the bath tissue out the way. Now this was $20. Okay, and this is about 30 mega rolls, which is equivalent to 120 rolls. And yeah, so this was $20, $19.99 to be exact. The paper towels were about $6.98. And so anytime I go to H.E.B, I like to always just get some bath tissue and some paper towels. They're like they're cousins, they always, they're always together. Like, I don't get one and not get the other. So I did not get a lot of canned vegetables. I just got like 2 cans of green beans. You know, I felt that would be all I need. I got another thing of Better Than bouillon because we were seriously low on that. Got some more paprika, some more baking soda, and some ketchup. Got some more cornstarch. I ran out of cornstarch, and then I went to Walmart to try and find some, and they totally did not have any cornstarch. So from here out, I'm gonna make sure we are always stocked on cornstarch. This is a must. So I got some prunes just to add a little fiber to our diets. Got some baby spinach, which should be over here with the produce. So I got some Belvita cookies. I just went ahead and got the value pack, and this was about just under $8, which to me, that's kind of high. You know, sometimes I think maybe I should get myself a Costco membership. Like, I don't know. I've never shopped at Costco, so I don't know if this would have been a little bit cheaper there or what. And so I also got some granola. I really like H.E.B's brand of products are really good, and their granola happens to be one of them. I like to add this to my yogurt. And I got some Fiber One cereal. I don't normally eat this, but like I said, I'm trying to add some more fiber to my diet. Then I got some Total. I love Total. I like to eat this with some bananas, and the kids, they like Total too. So I didn't really get a lot of, you know, that good cereal like the Fruit Loops, the Apple Jacks, you know, colorful cereals. I didn't get that this time. You know, I tried to go a little bit healthier this time, just a little. All right, so let's take a quick look at our dairy products. So I always get unsalted butter anytime I go to the store. I also got some mozzarella cheese, 2 packs of sharp cheddar cheese because I want some nachos and I like to make the cheese sauce from scratch. Also got some heavy whipping cream. You know, this is really good for mashed potatoes. And hubby also likes to add it to his coffee. Okay, got some almond milk, Greek yogurt. I always buy this brand of Greek yogurt. I've actually had this same brand in my other 2 grocery hauls, because they ain't had that many grocery hauls. So yes, I always buy Greek yogurt. This is great to sweeten your smoothies. It's great to go in oatmeal, and then it's just great to just eat all by itself. It gives me like a burst of energy. So I love Greek yogurt in vanilla flavor. Every now and then I'll do plain, but this time around I did vanilla. So I also got some caramel macchiato creamer. Last time I got the kind that says no sugar, but this time I decided to switch and get the one with sugar because, listen, I'm not for all of them extra secret ingredients that they put in and stuff to sweeten it, because how you gonna say something has no sugar but it's super sweet? So it's like, what are you putting in that? We got more jasmine rice, more brown sugar, and then more white sugar. Okay, we were low on those. We got some whole milk. The girls love milk. I don't drink whole milk, but they do, so yeah, we got that. And here we just got vegetables. So I just got like some celery, some bananas. My hands are so ashy. I got some squash, and I'm having a brain blank, drawing a blank. But yeah, I got some, can't believe I can't remember the name of my vegetables. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I got some spinach. I also got some sweet potatoes, some grapes, some kale, and cabbage, and broccoli, Yukon Gold potatoes. Then I have some large navel oranges. And in this bag here, we got some brioche buns for our cheeseburgers, and got some Tostitos lightly salted chips. Yeah, so I like to do lightly salted so that way, you know, we can monitor how much salt we are eating, okay, or consuming. Yeah, so I just got 2 bags here. And then we got some more prune juice there. So as you can see, it's been some things going on in our house. And then we got some snacks. So I have here some banana nut muffins, some cinnamon rolls, and some blueberry streusel mini muffins, and got some sugar cookies. And I'm gonna add these to, you know, my little glass cake dish that I bought. It's really pretty. This is my receipt. This is how much I spent. $2.89, which is really good to compare it to what I normally spend. So thank y'all so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this quick little grocery haul, and I will catch you guys in my next video.